Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Photomath app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down. You will find here apps, click on it. So then you come to apps list. In here you're looking for Photomath app, or just click on search. Then here add Photomath, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then you come to next here, click on for stop, click on OK here. So then you go down, just click on storage. You come to storage list, just click on clear cache. So then you go to your Play Store, just click here on Play Store, just click on it. So then here you search for Photomath, it's going to show for you like this. We'll find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. As well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.